Hey guys, welcome to CCIE Hub. Today we have two brand new firewalls. It's a Palo Alto firewall. Two brand new Palo Alto firewalls. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to unbox it today. So let's see what's inside. I need to break this seal, I believe. Can we have one screwdriver or something? Okay, thank you. Let me open this. It's a seal pack got from company itself. Okay. Oh wow. So here it is saying don't forget to register at the support paloaltonetworks.com. Definitely will be doing that, and I'll create separate video for it. So inside the box I have one firewall and a few other stuff, and here we have some user manuals, some power cable, networking cable. Okay, we'll keep this side. Same thing we have in other box as well. I'll just show you the other firewall. It's not only a box, it's a firewall. Okay, I mean it has a firewall inside. Same thing is written over here, like we need to register it on the paloaltonetworks.com. It's too heavy. Previously I had done unboxing of 40 gate firewall, right? I guess 240 gate firewall weight equals to single Palo Alto firewall weight. So here we go. Now here, let me take this firewall as well outside. Oh God. All right, guys. So these are the two firewalls, and this is the front panel of one of the firewall. So you can zoom here and see. Please focus here. Here I have one dedicated port given for ZTP. ZTP is nothing but zero touch provisioning port is given here. Okay, and total 8 ports are there which can be used for data purpose, LAN, WAN, DMZ and some other purpose, but one dedicated port they have given for ZTP. Okay, and now what is ZTP? How does it work? I mean, zero touch provisioning is nothing but it's like automatic configuration, you can say. Okay, so how automatic configuration happens, that we'll see in our next video. I mean, that will be in a configuration video. Okay, after this I'll create one licensing video, and after that I'll show you how zero touch provisioning happens. After that, here we have one dedicated management interface which is used for remote access purpose. You can say this management interface will be connected with your management plane, right? And these are data plane traffics. I mean, data plane traffics will be passing here like LAN, WAN, DMZ, or whatever you want to configure it. You can configure it for redundancy purpose, HA, or you can configure it for aggregate interface, anything. Now here we have a dedicated console interface, and here we have USB interface. So these are the interfaces. Oh, sorry, I forgot you to tell what's the model number. So if you can focus here, the model number of the firewall is FortiGate PA440. Okay, so this is the dedicated model number, and this particular model has many features. Like inside this firewall I can create 6 VCs as per the license. Okay, so we have full-fledged license on this firewall. I believe rarely in India someone has the entire hardware of all the firewalls, but we do have real hardwares where we have full licenses, and new feature from AI has been integrated or developed in Palo Alto Firewall. And this time we are definitely going to show that in our labs. In our classes, AI powered Palo Alto training will be done this time. And as per the Palo Alto new curriculum, right, if you see, they have given many new features related to AI and ML. So definitely all those features are supported in this particular model number. VCs, AI, right, all those things will be there. But it happens only with the license, like ACC feature, right, global protect feature, clustering feature, everything will be having the entire training based on these two firewalls. Okay, and on the back panel, if you see, can you focus here? Like here we have two power adapters. These are two power adapters. These are for redundancy. If you see, this is written here as a power 1 and power 2. So in this particular model, we have power redundancy as well. If one power fails, we have another power to take care of your firewall, right? So this way we understood these are the total port informations. We have some extra USB over here for backup. USB console is also there, the old type of USB you could say we have here, and these are the leads over here, right? Same thing we have in other firewall as well. Same model number we have, because we have bought these two firewalls for redundancy purpose as well. So we'll create a separate rack for it, and it will be live for our students. Our students can do live practicals on our live firewalls. It will be even remotely accessible through our public IP. That's our whole concept. It's not like a student has to come here only to get physical access of our firewalls. No, our firewalls will be publicly available, right? I mean, for public access, you can say students can publicly access it to do all their practicals, right? So same model number you can see here. If you can focus, it's a same model number, PA440, same model number, right? That's it guys in this video. So these were the two brand new firewalls which I did unboxing in front of you, right? In our next video I'll show how to license this firewall. Till then, take care.